Assalamu alaikum students. We continue exercise 3.2 with question number 2, in which we are given the logarithm of 31.09, that is 1.4926. Mean logarithm of a number is given to us. But the thing that is we observe, we are required to find out the logarithm of these four parts, and each part we have the same sequence of significant digits, that is 3109, 3109, 3109, 3109. It means if we learn a new concept, that is if the sequence of the significant digits is same for different numbers, then their mantissa will be same. Remember, if the sequence of the significant digits is same, then their mantissa will be same. So according to this phenomena, we do all these four sums. We have to keep it in mind and memorize this as the logarithm having the same sequence of significant digits have the same mantissa. And as the logarithm of 31.09 is given to us, so it means mantissa of logarithm 31.09 is equal to the decimal part of the logarithm of the given number, that is 0.4926. And that is what we use in all of these four parts, as their sequence of significant digits is 3109, 3109, 3109 and 3109 in each case. So therefore we use the same mantissa for all of these four parts, 0.4926. It means we do not need to use scientific calculator to find out the mantissa, as we got already by the given number. So let's do the part 1. In part 1, we are required to find out log 3.109. It means we have to find out characteristics of log 3.109. If we place the reference position after the first non-zero digit from the left hand side, we count the digits, there is no digit lie between, as the decimal point lie above the reference position, therefore characteristics will be 0. And we use the same mantissa, as the sequence of significant digit is same. Mantissa of logarithm 3.109 will be equal to 0.4926. And as we know that logarithm of a real number is equal to characteristics plus mantissa by replacing value, we have log 3.109 is equal to 0 plus 0.4926, and answer will be 0.4926 of the log 3.109. In part 2, we are required to find out the logarithm of 310.9. We find its characteristics of log 310.9 is equal to, we place a reference position after the first non-zero digit from left hand side, and we count the number of digits between decimal point and reference position, that is 2, as decimal point lie on the right hand side, therefore characteristics is plus 2. And we use the mantissa of logarithm 310.9 is equal to 0.4926. Mantissa is same as the sequence of significant digits is 3109 is same. So therefore we use the same mantissa 0.4926 according to this phenomenon. And as we know that log of a real number is equal to sum of characteristics and mantissa. Therefore, by replacing values, we have log 310.9 is equal to characteristics is 2 and mantissa is 0.4926, and we get the value of log 310.9 is equal to 2.4926. So let's do the part 3, in which the number whose logarithm is required, that is 0.003109, that is less than 1. As the number is less than 1, therefore characteristics will be negative. If the number of the log whose logarithm is required, that is less than 1, then characteristics will be negative. And if the number is greater than 1, then the characteristics will be positive. That is what we observe in part 1 and 2 as well. And now let's do, as we are given to find log 0.003109, and the characteristics can be found by placing the reference position after the first non-zero digit from left hand side, and we count the number of digits between decimal point and reference position, that is 3. But as decimal point lie on the left hand side, therefore the characteristics will be -3 or 3 bar. And mantissa will be the same according to that concept. The logarithm having the same sequence of significant digits have the same mantissa. So therefore mantissa is 0.4926. By replacing the values, we have log 0.003109 is equal to, characteristics is 3 bar, whereas mantissa is 0.4926. Hence, the value of logarithm is 0.003109 is equal to 3 bar 0.4926. Part 4, as same as part 3. We are required to find out the value of log 0.3109. We first find characteristics of log 0.3109 by placing reference position after the first non-zero digit from left hand side, count the digit between decimal point and reference position, that is 1, and as decimal point lie on the left hand side, the characteristics will be -1 or 1 bar. Mantissa is the same as per the concept. Mantissa of log 0.3109 is equal to 0.4926. As log of a real number is equal to the sum of characteristics and mantissa, therefore by replacing values we have log 0.3109 is equal to, characteristics is 1 bar plus 0.4926, and hence we got the answer for log 0.3109 is equal to 1 bar 0.4926. As we have the concept, the logarithms having the same sequence of significant digits have the same mantissa, and I hope that you learn that concept and find the solution very easy when you practice it. Thank you.